Good afternoon, everyone. Please allow us 2 minutes of time to start the webinar. I'm Sangeetha, Customer Success Manager, and today we will explore how data driven decision strategies can enhance the field operations, improve efficiency, and lead to more informed decision makings. So, we are living in a very fast environment, so where accurate data plays a very crucial role in resource allocations, employees' productivity, and overall operational success. So let's start and begin with by understanding what is data driven decision making. So data driven decision making is the practice of using the key metrics and the historical data to guide strategic choices, so which will help us to achieve business objectives. A research from the Center for Economics and Business says that 80% of the businesses report revenue growth by leveraging a real-time data efficiency. Here, in real-time data is not just an advantage. It's a necessity for an organization which seeks business excellence. Let's see about the importance of the data driven decisions in field operations, especially. So, firstly, it will help you to optimize and streamline the field operations with the valuable data insights. And second, it will help you to improve and track the employees' performances on a day to day basis. And then it will help you to make better and confident decisions with the data insights. And finally, it will help you to increase the profitability and sales with an organized and strategic goals. And overall, it will provide you with a greater transparency and control over the field activities. And let's get into the point, which are all a very key data categories in the field operations. The very first important thing is like field employees data, so which is very essential for us for their attendance records, their performance metrics, and their activities on the day-to-day one. And second is a location data, so which will help you with the routes they traveled to meet the customer's locations, or whenever they are traveling it, or whenever they are logging along with their GPS coordinates. A third, a very most important thing is a customer data, so which will help you with the customer details and their history of visits along with the preferences of the products as well. And then we'll go with the efficiency, and by looking on the operational data, so you will be able to overcome the downtime, the delays that are happening on the fields. And finally, you will be able to progress and track on the deadlines and the task of that is being assigned to the field force. And let's see about the very crucial methods for the collecting the data for the field workforce. The very first important thing is like their time tracking and attendance app. This will help you to monitor the employees' activity and the productivity, where you can able to look onto their visits details and the time they are working and stuff. And second is a location tracking application, so which will ensure the optimized field movement and efficiency of their workings during the travel. And third is the task management application, so which will help you to assign the task to the workforce and manage their progress and their data in a very efficient management. And finally is a very important thing is like which is a data collection and reporting apps, so which will help you to facilitate the automated reports from the field in a real time basis, or you do not want to wait for a very manual efforts to put it together. On a whole, we have Lystloc, a very comprehensive solution which will help you in collecting the real time data collection and trackings. The very first initial things in Lystloc, you can able to get the field workforce employees attendances and live locations in a real time. You can able to assign and manage the task with their statuses. You can able to get the real time updates that are all happening in the field, especially you can able to get on their visits details in real time without even assumption, or do not wait for a very longer period. And more importantly, we do automate reports which will be updating in a end of the day basis on their day to day activities, and it will be available in different frequencies of daily, monthly, and weekly as well. And let's see these with an example. Let's take pharmaceutical industries, which is a very known one. Let's consider an RX Pharma, so which is having our 50 medical sales representatives. So these data of all these 50 medical representatives, by analyzing all their real-time data on login times, their visit statuses, and their travel distances, the company gains a very valuable insights. The insights includes they can able to identify the high demand regions of their products with their data that is coming on from the field. And also this would help the management to see the efficiency and productivity of the workforce on the field with their data, their visits and their travels. And also with the travel histories, and it will make the schedules easier for the workforce to increase the productivity for them. On a overall, this would help the company to get a very more valuable insights with the real-time data as well as in an automated way. Let's switch on to the advantages of data-driven decisions in field operations. The very first thing everyone knows that we need to be making a very strategic decisions. So which will be with the very minimal risk. And also it will give you a very high visibility and the clarity of the data insights which is happening on the field. And moreover, it will increase your efficiency of the workforce and their productivity, and you can able to get the real-time updates, so which will help you to overcome the downtimes and delays. And moreover, with the real-time data update, you can able to work faster and give a response time, which is reducing moreover with the delayed updates from the field. And it will help you to streamline the field operations especially. And very more main important thing every customer strive for is right to understand their customers better. And this way you can able to serve them better with a better and customer understanding. And let's see about the challenges that we are facing in a data driven decision making. The very first important thing is like accuracy and data quality. So everyone knows that inconsistent or an incorrect data will lead to very poor decisions. The maintaining of a reliable data collections is very essential for the especially in the field operations where everyone is in the field. And second thing is like a change. So where whenever a new system is included for the users, eventually they may resist at first. So with a clear communication as well as an adequate training will help the users to improve and to use the tool very effectively on a day-to-day basis. And the third, a very most important thing is like data privacy and security. So that everyone knows, like even with the industrial data or any confidential data must be protected. Lystloc ensures a very secure data handling and compliances. Now we are in SOC 2 compliant for data security. And we know everyone uses multiple tools for getting the multiple data on the fields. So where multiple tools can make a multiple data look very individually, and it will be hard for the management to get it in a very complete picture to analyze. So with Lystlog, you can able to simplify this data integration for seamless data management and analysis. And let's see how Lystloc will help you to enhance the data driven decision. So, Lystloc is a market leader in field workforce and analytics. We are serving around 13K plus active customers with across 42 plus countries. So, Lystloc comes with a business driven solution, so which will providing with the concept of list data. So our list data platform which will give you with the comprehensive reports which will help you in analyzing the insights that are happening on the field operations, which will help you to build the strategic decisions for the better operational success. So we have around 120 plus customized report which are specifically designed to meet the customer requirements and their business needs. These are helping them in payroll processing and analyzing their performances, and also for the better decision making on the field. And let's see about our detailed attendance report, which are all very commonly used for our customers. So first, they can able to get all their meeting updates in one. So where the updates that is happening on the field for the visits and their data collections, what has happened in the field, everything will be automated as a report in the form of meeting notes data. So where these data are essential for a company to have their past histories, their preferences, which will help them to analyze more in depth. And also, second, we have a live tracking report, which will give you the live tracking updates of the fields that are happening, like their data, their average battery percentages, their internet off time, GPS off time. And along with that, it will also help you to understand what has happened for the live tracking updates. And moreover, we also provide a very automated travel reimbursement report. So which will help the users to have a very automated reimbursement based on their distance that is being calculated in Listloc. So in Listloc, we do provide an automated distance. So where based on their location updates, they will be able to get a distance. And these will be processed as an automated travel reimbursement with the amount that is being specified for each transport type Lystloc. This will reduce the manual errors, and also this will help the management to get the automations in a very quick time. And also, moreover, a very basic things we provide is an attendance details where users log in, log out timings, their customer visits, meetings timings, and also how long they work on the fields and what is their total distance traveled. Along with this will help them to have an average of their timings, their meeting expenses, and also along with that they can able to get the average working hours of the users as well. And let me introduce you to a new feature which is upcoming from our side called as Milles CRM. So Milles CRM is designed to offer business customization modules and form fields for enhanced workflow automations. This will fully integrate with an existing system to provide a very seamless data management. We created this as a revolutionary steps, which will eliminate the need for support, and thus you can able to reduce the turnaround time very significantly by setting up on your own. Let me give you an example for this, how this model gonna help you out. So every management or every organization will have a problem to manage their assets that are given for the workforce. So with this list CRM, you can able to create a customized module for your own organization where you can able to create it as an asset module, and you can able to put the relevant field managed to be processed it out to overcome the very manual data. So this would help you to manage the assets that are given for the workforce in a very minimal time. And let's see about the very comprehensive and extensive features of Lystloc. Let me put it out with an example for you. So every field, every organization will have a field force like sales rep or medical rep or any kind of things who is going for the sales or services. So basically it will be confined as an assumption where they are in, what time they logged in, and what is happening on the field. But with Lystloc features, you can able to get their location based attendances, which will help you with the details like at what time they logged in, what is their location they are in without any assumption. And also, this will help you with the real time updates on the field, like their client visits, their updates of locations, and everything. So, which will help your life very easier without any assumption. And also, these data are put together from our side as a comprehensive timelines, and also this would be giving you for the past histories as well, not only for today's dates. And also, moreover, you can able to see a real-time updates of the field movement where they are in. Thus, by you will be able to locate and you will be able to decide whether the customer's place can be reached very efficiently or on time. And also, based on the location updates, you can able to assign a task to the users, and they can able to you can able to reliable from our side. And also, we have an option to request a reimbursement that for the everybody. So, with this log, you can be able to automate the process where users can able to travel or accommodation, food, anything it can be, so that it can be processed internally and the reimbursement can be processed within fraction of time. So, if you wish to get any comprehensive updates of these features, please feel free to share your contact details in your chat box. We will be able to reach you out. And let's see about our key achievements. So where we have recorded around 341 plus million kilometers tracked, so which is optimizing the field efficiency globally from our side. And also we have recorded 76 plus million live tracking hours from our side with every on the field. Along with this, we have also successfully processed 6 plus million attendance records along with 16 plus million client visits on Lystloc. Now, we now welcome any questions from you. So please feel free to unmute yourself or use the chat function to submit your queries. We will be able to handle it out for you.
Hello, Sangeetha.
Hi, Nasir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Today in Kenya is morning, still morning.
Okay, good morning.
Morning. Now, I want more insight on that CRM module.
Yes.
Can you send us on the more insight on that? How it
So,
how
what
it
is it
how it
doing?
how it's going to help us
Sure. You
And
can put your details in your contact in the chat box so that our team will help you with the demo of those CRM, which
yeah,
will
we
help
need that
you.
one. See how it help us, our salespeople be more productive on site.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure. You can put your details in the
I
chat
think
box. Our team will be reaching you out.
the other things, the other features, I think we are familiar with it. But another suggestion, these sales representatives, they want their own daily report, if they can see their own daily reports, rather than cumulated report which are going to the managers.
Okay. So we do have
Right.
frequency-based reports based on daily or weekly based on your requirements. We can able to
So,
support you on that.
yeah, so that they can know, because sometimes you know what happened. Listloc sometimes jam. It's jam, and maybe it hangs on the way. Maybe you know some issue, maybe the network or the phone itself. So what happened? Maybe he has visited or she has visited 10 sites, but Listloc has already recorded only six. You know.
No, we
So
have.
end of the day, on his or her report, written 10 sites. Listloc is recording six because of the network issues and other issues. So they want to compare. You see now, if they'll get their daily report per each and every employee, so they can compare uh, uh, how many sites have been visited, how many sites have been visited, and is recorded by the list log.
Okay, so I understand your point. So with network connections, you are facing issues with the visits that are being recorded in Lystloc. We do have an offline features where even in low network areas or
We,
without any connections,
yeah, we have
still
enabled
they can able to submit it.
that one, but it's not helping much because I think one or two is getting not captured.
Sure, we can able to check it out. Put your details so that we'll connect with you on the same to
Yes,
talk
yes.
it out
So
and sort it out for you.
they want their own reports if it's possible, or
Sure.
each and every user each end of the day, so that they can get their own reports or how many sites they have visited,
Sure, we,
and also and also that we need more insight on that CRM, how it can help us to be more productive.
sure. Can you please share us your contact details in the chat box, which will help us to reach you to provide these details and support you on the queries?
My address, admin, like a marketing.
Sure. Is there any other questions or any
Yeah,
clarification?
my users they have got a lot of issues, but what I'll do, Sangeetha, I'm going to send you an email of all the challenges we are facing on that application, so that you can guide us on that.
Sure, we would be able to help you out on the same. Once we get the details, we will reach you out on the same for that.
Okay, Sangeetha.
Sure. Thank you. We got your email. We'll help you on that. Sure. And Sisodia, you have asked to explain on the AI accurate durations. So this AI functionality we have developed to overcome the inaccurate locations by filtering it out at the end of the day once the user log out. So which will help you with the more reliable distance and the routes traveled by the user. Hope this
Uh,
helps you out. If not, let us know. So I'll help you with the further
okay,
details.
let me have a concern. I don't know how accurate is your location in Kenya, the map location.
Okay.
How accurate is it in Kenya?
So we are very accurate. So
We know what
it is
happened.
based on the device GPS. We are.
You don't get exact location of the user where they are exactly. No, it's like giving like 500 meters away, 200 meters away from the real location. So I want to know how precise you're tracking in Kenya. How
Sure.
efficient?
Yes, we can. Sure. We'll be connecting with you to discuss on each of the users' data, so that would help you with a detailed understanding.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So, Bishwarajan, you have asked for how exactly it will work for you. Is there any specific cases that you wanted to understand for your workforce or something? A specific related data that would help me to make you understand.
You want to know about that CRM which you have mentioned? You want to know more about it?
Sure,
Yeah,
we'll
I think
guide you on this one.
that's the new features we have in that Lystloc, isn't it?
Yes, it's a very new feature which is in an upcoming releases from our side.
Yeah, we want to know how it's going to help us achieve more sales, how we can be productive.
Sure, we'll help on the same. We'll connect with you once after the session and we'll provide you with the necessary details.
Okay, thank you, Sangeetha, thank you.
Okay. And Sisodia, we do have demonstration of this software to make you understand on the features and stuff. Please update your contact details so that our team will get back to you on this to give a demo.
I've written my contact details. It's admin at Mega Marketing.
As it's for a different person. So someone has asked for a question for the demo.
Okay,
I
okay.
addressed that. So if you wish to get a demo of the specific feature or to know about Lystloc, please share your contact details. Our team will help you with the demo and the timings.
So when are you going to give us the demonstration for that CRM?
I'm sure we'll connect with you shortly after this quick meeting.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
And Bishwaranjan, can you please help us specific about your questions? We are waiting for you to address your details. Sure. Thanks for sharing your contact details. We will connect with you on the same to understand better. Thanks for sharing your contact details, Ishodia. We'll get back to you sometimes. So, is there any questions? Sure. Thanks for your detailed update about your specification on your industry time. So, we will get back after this meeting to connect with you on the same. So, is there any other questions or clarification from anyone?
For now, we don't have, but as I told you, we have some other concerns on the Lystloc application. I'm going to send you an email on that.
Sure. We'll be able to help you on the same.
But so far, we're okay. Waiting for that demonstration for that CRM and see how we can move forward.
Sure. Okay. We'll provide you with the same. And is there any questions for anyone?
Hello.
Yes, Ms. Puranjan. Good
Yeah.
afternoon.
Good afternoon. Very good afternoon. Ma'am, I'm particularly very new to this. Actually, I have joined just at a late time. I just joined you.
Okay.
Exactly, I want to know how it will be working for my sales team who are working in pharma OTC, right? We have basic, our customer base is only the retail outlet, right, ma'am?
Okay.
So how exactly it will be, and means we want a exact track record. They are meeting to which retailer, and on daily basis
Mm-hmm.
whether meeting or not. And we too have in this particular in our zone we have a beat concern. Beat means we make a track on which track this particular person is going to work. A daily work chart we have been scheduled that. Hmm. So will it also help us in relocating all those things exactly how he is working on which whether he is working in the proper manner so that he can save the time and he can cover more customers daily wise.
Sure, like Lystlog will help you on these cases with the real-time updates or meeting your retailers with the real-time updates, what is happening with the retailer and their updates on the things. So we will
Right.
connect with you on the
Yeah.
same to provide you a demo, how it works and how it can be suitable for your requirements from our side with the features.
Right. Right. Right, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Is there any is there any questions for us from anyone? Okay. Anything else that we wanted to address it for you? Any clarifications on the features or stuff? I guess it's not from everyone. So, so thank you everyone, and we appreciate your time and participation in today's webinar session. If you have any questions or any further inquiries about our product, please reach us at sales@listlock.com. And we do have more upcoming webinars and product updates from our site. Stay connected with us on our social media platforms for the latest product updates, coming webinars, and industry insights. Wishing you all success in making data driven decision making. Thank you. Thanks, everyone.